I want you to take your phone, throw it in the garbage, and forget it exists. That will make more sense later in the video. But what I want to start with is, when was the last time you focused? Because I've got the solution to this, and it's been working for me so far. But think about it. When was the last time you actually focused on a task? Last time you've sat down, put your head down, and worked for 2-3 hours with full focus, without touching your phone, without going to get a snack, without doing anything. I think the last time for me was between the ages of like 10 and 14. Focus has become a real problem in our society. Everyone's always getting distracted by the new best thing, social media, jewelry, clothing. Like, everything is there to just distract you. Now, if you want to fix your focus, it's as simple as I said at the start of the video. Throw away your phone. Now, I know everyone says this. I know it's cliche that, oh, social media is bad for you. But think about it. Whenever you're working on something hard, you need all your focus on that thing. But if you're training your brain to keep grabbing your phone and getting instant happiness or instant gratification, your brain's going to be automatically inclined to want to take your phone each time you do something hard. I've recently deleted TikTok and Instagram and completely tried stopping YouTube Shorts, and my attention span has slowly gotten better and better. Addition to this, I've also implemented better habits whenever I do feel like doing these unhealthy habits, like watching TikTok or watching YouTube Shorts, watching Instagram Reels. Is I started playing chess. Chess is something that I find pretty fun, but it requires you to be completely focused in the game and present, and also use your brain. It'll make you smarter. It'll basically train you to be focused on something. What you can also do is you can start meditating, and in addition to that, just remove places and possibilities for you to grab your phone. If you have anything else in your life, like maybe if you're always going to grab snacks or always calling people, make sure those distractions are not in your workspace either. Your whole goal is to completely get rid of stuff that distracts you, and if you can do that, I guarantee you 1 or 2 weeks, you just need to lock in, and your attention span and focus will come back.